Hi guys, as you could see, Tesla stock has reached $1,094 and it's booming day by day. A lot of people have been asking me about this stock, that whether it's worth buying at current price or is it overpriced. To be very honest, Tesla has a bright future. It has very good financials, and obviously it will boom above 1,094 someday. But currently it's overpriced because its target price for the year end was around $983 as per JP Morgan Stanley, and it's already crossed that by $100. I know there is the news about stock splits and which out because of which the stock has grown more, but currently it's still overpriced. But I can obviously recommend you a few more EV industry stocks which are not overpriced and will boom just like Tesla. As you know, EV industry is currently booming because of the high prices in oil and gas, which will lead EV industry to boom in future again. So the first talk I'd like to give you about is Li Auto. The company, it's an EV company which is doing really well. Its revenues have been increasing substantially every year. In the last year, 21 has increased by 200%. It has significantly equal revenue to what Tesla had in 2020. I guess it had a revenue of $32 billion in last year, while Tesla had in 2020 was around $31 billion. So you see, the company has a very high potential. Its gross income is even at the same percent of what Tesla had. So it has a really bright future. Definitely, Tesla in 2020 made profit, while this company didn't make profit on books. But I'll tell you that's just because of the way how accounting has been done in both of it. Tesla has deferred its most of its research and development cost in the future years, while Li Auto has expensed out majority of its research and development costs this year to reduce taxes and from many other reasons. I'll make you look through the financials for once. Li Auto is currently trading at 27.40. Let's show you this. So yeah, here is Li Auto. It's currently at 27.30 after hours, and as you can see, its revenue is 32 billion dollars in 21, while it almost increased 200%, and in even 2020 the revenue is increased by not 3,195%. That's, as you can see, it's pretty staggering in itself. Its gross income is 6.94 billion. As we compare that with Tesla, Tesla had its. I'm going to compare with Tesla 2020 because it's better to compare two companies with the same revenue and the same life of the product, because as even Li Auto has opened very recently. So I would like to compare it with 2020 rather than 2021. As you can see, in 2020, Tesla had $31 billion of revenue, and its gross income was 6.63 billion, while in Li Auto it was around 6.94 billion. And it's almost similar because there has been a bit of revenue difference. So mainly gross income percent has been almost similar. The reason Tesla had 2020 profits, as you can see, it has a pre-tax income 1.15 billion, is because the research expense was 1.49 billion. While in case of Li Auto, its research expense was 3.96 billion this year. It has majorly expensed out as most of its research and development expenses, while Tesla has carry forward it in its balance sheet, in its liability side, and will defer and will expense out in the future years. So that's why there's a difference in the profit. As you can see, they yeah, made a loss of 1.84 million, but that's still good. I feel that if the research and development would have been a bit low, which in comparison to Tesla would have been which a bit lower to around 1 to 2 billion, this company would have made a $1 billion profit, which I'm expecting it to make it next year. Other thing I like to show is that, as you can see, Li Auto's balance sheet, you can see the cash has been 37.3 billion in 2021 and 12.6 billion in 2020. When I just show it Tesla to you, it has a good cash balance of 17.92 billion this year and 19.62 billion last year. It means that the Li Auto has a better cash reserves in its company. This shows the financial strength of the company. And I'm not saying that Li Auto is a bigger company than Tesla, but I'm showing that it's a very good part to go ahead and become one of the companies, biggest EV companies around the world. And as you know, it's basically a Chinese company. So they are, and as China's have been famous for making product at a low cost. I'm pretty sure that they will do a better job in it and make a more profit, become very highly profitable. So this is one of the Li Auto the stock which I would recommend you all to buy, and I'm expecting. And even I saw a JP Morgan report which gave it a target price of the year end of around $38, which is it's currently at $27. It's expected to grow by 36% till the end of this year. So that's one of the stock I recommend to you. For more, follow the page. This is from me. This is all from me today. Thank you. Bye bye.